Wow, she or he got caught up running game, left out in the cold. You are the lead detective on this. What is hidden now? Shut them down before I do. Imagine that. He or she didn't want to let you know how bad it got once they left in the summer. It was a house fire. Mister, look, the president sent me a big ass reward. I never got that reward. They want me to spy and close celebrity cases. Lost greatness. Look at that. They were jealous of your future with Mrs. Wright. They covered up a murder. Pay attention. The shine in the fails. Industry loves you and considering your healing as mechanisms. The struggle created a champion. Your twin started it with magic.